Good morning everyone, I am Harshita Tech Host and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about high demand for Apple Vision Pro in China's grey market, Galaxy S24 series sees a strong pre-booking in India, Apple sets 2nd February for Vision Pro AR headset launch, WhatsApp developing end-to-end encryption nearby share-like feature, Google DeepMind scientists to form AI startup, Meta users in EU can unlink Instagram, Facebook accounts, Galaxy S24 series to be made in Noida for domestic, international markets and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The upcoming Apple Vision Pro mixed reality headset is generating high demand in China's grey market. Resellers are doubling the original prices with customers willing to pay over twice the official rate. The anticipated success of the Vision Pro is expected to reshape the VR/AR market, signaling Apple's strategic move beyond the iPhone. The device focuses on health and fitness management, offering accurate tracking with advanced sensors. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S24 series has achieved 250,000 pre-bookings in just 3 days in India. The milestone marks the series as the most successful S series to date in the country. Last year's S23 series took 3 weeks to reach the same number of pre-bookings. The Galaxy S24 series boasts AI-driven features including real-time voice call translation and enhanced camera effects. Apple announces the release date of 2nd February for its Vision Pro AR headset, available for pre-order since 19 January at $3,500. The launch emphasizes reviews and commercials to showcase features like eye and hand tracking. Apple aims to stand out in the AR market by focusing on spatial computing and avoiding the metaverse label. Despite a recent dip in the AR market, Apple's strong financial signal investor confidence. WhatsApp, owned by Meta, is working on a file sharing feature similar to Android's Nearby Share and Apple's AirDrop. The end-to-end encrypted system is not yet available for beta testing. Screenshots from WhatsApp beta for Android reveal potential features like secure file exchange and shaking the device for sharing. The file sharing solution may use cellular data or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LE and WebRTC for transfers. Scientists Laurent Chiffre and Carl Tewes from Google DeepMind are reportedly leaving to establish a new AI startup named Holistic in Paris. The startup aims to build a new AI model and is in talks with potential investors for a financing round exceeding 200 million euros. Chiffre and Tewes, known for their AI research, have reportedly resigned from DeepMind and the startup plans are in progress. This move aligns with strong investor interest in AI technology. Meta announces that users in the European Union, European Economic Area and Switzerland can soon unlink their Instagram and Facebook accounts. The move complies with the new Digital Markets Act (DMA) coming into force in March 2024. Users will have more control over their data using various Meta services independently and managing their experiences. Adjustment also offer options for using Facebook and Instagram with or without ads. Samsung plans to produce its flagship Galaxy S24 series at its India factory for both domestic and international markets. The device features AI-driven applications including real-time voice call and message translation, improved image editing, and enhanced display durability. Sales of the Galaxy S24 lineup are set to begin on 31st January. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.